We are here in Sunnyvale at 561 Worley Avenue 94085. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1510 square feet on a 4,998 square foot lot. Let's start on the outside. Check out the front landscaping. Take a view of the neighborhood. You do get a 1-car garage here. Nice French drains. Look at that ornate. Looks like a teacup. Very cool. Let's continue the tour of the front of the house. Another French drain here. Nice dual setup. Chairs in the front. Let's look at the front of the yard from this angle. Nice little area for some gardening. And let's make our way inside the house. This is listed by Arena Sheet of Keller Williams. So upon entering the house, you are greeted by this little living room area here, overlooking the front yard. You do have a nice large window. Nice fireplace there. Immediately to this door on the right, it is your 1-car garage. That is some cool insulation on the ducting here. You do have your washer and dryer in the garage. A nice tall ceiling, so you could possibly build some racks here for some additional storage. Let's go back inside the house. You have your formal dining area here, nicely staged. And your kitchen to the right. You have the white cabinets with the gold hardware and the matching white with gold veins on the countertops. Let me open some of these so you get a better idea of what it looks like inside the cabinets. Four-burner gas stove for anyone looking for a gas stove. Bosch dishwasher. You have your space for your microwave here. Pretty cool and sleek Samsung refrigerator. Some nice cold waters in there. It's pretty warm today here in Sunnyvale, if you call 86 degrees warm. You have some storage here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves for storage. And you have your big formal living room area here overlooking the backyard. Again, with some nice, almost floor to ceiling windows. Check out the staging, check out the layout. It works perfect right now the way it is currently set up. You can imagine yourself sitting here, nice big couch, and where these two pieces of art are placed on the wall, a nice large TV. Let's make our way over to this side of the house. This is where you will find, let's go this way real quick, your first bedroom. Nice size. This is your closet. And this bedroom overlooks the front yard. It also has windows on this side and this side. It's a nice clear day, so there's tons of natural lighting that hits this bedroom. Pretty cool piece of art here. Wish I knew how to turn it on. It looks like it has LEDs in the back. Okay, let's make our way to our second bedroom. Again, pretty good size. As you guys can see, here goes your closet. And again, you have your window and your door here leading to the backyard. Lots of natural sunlight coming in into the shared bathroom. Take a look at this shower stall. I like the wood grain natural colors in here. Nice built-in cubbies. That is a very fancy shower head with all the jet settings. Very cool. Some more storage here. Couple hooks. I don't know what that's for. Interesting. Okay, let's continue our tour. Leading into the primary bedroom. Look at the size of this bedroom. Again, great size bedrooms. Lots of natural light, as you can see. You have your closet here. And the primary bathroom. With the smart mirror. What's up, guys? And the primary shower slash bathtub. Again, they chose to go with this natural tone, this brown, this wood paneling. Skylight. Another view of the primary bedroom from this angle. And let's head over to the backyard. Again, it's a beautiful day here in Sunnyvale. It's about 85 degrees today. Nice and bright. You have some staging here. Beautiful lemon tree here. A nice little waterfall feature. Another area to hang out under this gazebo pergola. Let's check out this side of the house. That looks like the access to the crawl space. This is your AC unit. Looks like a Bryant model. This is the entrance or exit out of this bedroom that we saw here, the one that has access to that shared bathroom. This is the other bedroom. You have our gas meter here. And let's wrap around to the other side of the house on the outside. Another view of the house. Stucco exterior. The fence looks like it's in great shape. This is the window to the primary bathroom and the window from the kitchen. The door to access the garage. And it looks like they may have had pets in this house because there's a lot of little pet access doors. What do you guys think of the house so far? Let me know if any of you guys are in the market for a home here in Sunnyvale. I live in Sunnyvale myself, over in the Cherry Chase area, 94087. I will be doing a lot more of these home tours and ramping up these videos here pretty soon. Let me know what features you want me to point out. What do you want to see more of? What do you want to see less of? Just one more look once around. Recessed lighting throughout the home. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,510 square feet, sitting on an almost 5,000 square foot lot, listed at $1,998,000. If you or you know someone looking to buy in Sunnyvale, contact me, leave comments, send me a DM. Happy to tour with you guys. and get you into contract and get you keys to a beautiful home here in Sunnyvale. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. They will get better and better.